Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix ChatGPT lagging or slow responses in 2026. Now, if ChatGPT is loading slowly, freezing, or taking too long to reply, a few fixes can usually solve this problem. So here is how you can do it step by step. So as you can see, currently I've launched ChatGPT here in my web browser. So if you are facing the problem in your web browser, if you haven't installed the ChatGPT application, the first thing that you can check here, you can just simply look for the internet connection. Slow or the unstable internet can cause the delays when ChatGPT tries to load the responses. You can try refreshing your connection or switching to a more stable network. Now, sometimes the session may slow down due to the temporary glitches. So you can also try refreshing the browser's page, or you can also restart the ChatGPT website on your web browser in order to basically reset the connection. Now, the third thing that you can try is you can simply clear the browsing cache. For that, click on the three dots on the top right hand corner of your web browser. Now click on the option of settings. In the settings, you will find the option of cache. So in the delete browsing data, simply select the option of cached images and files. After that, you can also select the time period. So you can click on the more option and select the option of all time. After doing this, click on the option of delete from this device and it is going to clear the cache from your device. Now, sometimes too many open tabs can also cause a lot of memory and slowdowns on your web browser. So make sure that you close the tabs that you are not using when you are basically using ChatGPT alone so that it could run smoothly. Now, if ChatGPT is still lagging, you can open it in another web browser. For example, currently I'm using it in my Chrome web browser, but if you have already installed any other web browser like Edge or Firefox, you can try opening it in that web browser in order to see if the issue is there or if it is basically removed. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.